In this video, we will be looking at how to set up Apigee instrumentation using JavaScript policy. So the prerequisites are we expect you to have access to Apigee UI in the Google Cloud Console and an existing Apigee proxy. Right. The first step is to go to your Astra account dashboard and go to integrations. And then scroll down to Apigee instrumentation and then press connect. Press connect again, continue, write a note if you would like to. Yes, so please copy the sensor ID that's given to you right now, and we would be requiring it in the later stage of the steps. So for your reference, I'm going to copy the sensor ID that's given here. So let's go to the documentation. So here, in order to set up HTTPS, if you require, you will have to edit custom config file, that is config_custom.yaml in your traffic collectors instance. Let's quickly see how to do that. This is optional if you would like to use HTTPS. So config custom, I have two lines commented here, that is cert file and key file. If you would like to use the HTTPS version of your collector, you can uncomment this or add these two lines and just mount your .pem files, your keys and certs. That would enable your secure. And ensure the certificate files are correctly placed in the appropriate directories and have proper permissions. The private key should be readable only by the owner, obviously for security reasons, and the certificate can be readable by others but should not be writable. So let's go to our main step, that is creating a JavaScript policy. So let's go to our existing API proxy in Apigee Google Console. So I go to my Apigee and Apigee proxies. I have an existing proxy that is a prerequisite of this step. So I'm opening my proxy. Okay. Go to the develop section, and then so what we are supposed to do is go to the post flows option of the proxy endpoint, and here we would in this post flow go to the plus icon, and you have to go to the create new policy, extensible policies, select policy, and go to JavaScript policy. Give the appropriate names and display name you want, and press create a new resource. So resource type is JavaScript, and create a new file and add, let's just say. So you can have to populate this file right here. So for now, I'm using instrumentation.js. This file is exactly same as what you have here. All you need to do is copy and paste it in this section. The things that you're required to edit is your sensor ID, your domain name, and the Astra traffic collector endpoint. So once these three are set, optionally you would have to set your sampling ratio. And then the next step is simple. Would you deploy, revision, and select the environment and press deploy, and you would be having your instrumentation setup ready. For debugging purposes, if you would like to check if the instrumentation is happening properly, you can go to debug, start a debug session. Environment is the environment that you have chosen, extensible environment, and there you go. This is your proxy URL, and let's hit the endpoint. Yes, we do get the backend service. Now in our collector, let's check the logs of the backend service. Let's hit the proxy endpoint again. Let's do a refresh to it. Yes, the refresh is done. And now there we go. We got the trace in our hotel collector. Now let's go to the dashboard. Now here go to API endpoints. And in this section, you will be seeing the trace which is just hit.